Hey guys, Fishy here, and part of what I'm doing is just trying to help people be more cautious around information that they see online, but particularly Facebook. And Facebook has got a really bad reputation with allowing fakers and scams to sit out there for a good long time. I think they're getting better, but we still have to be vigilant, and some people just don't even know this stuff is happening. Here is Zoe Clark, and Zoe has this post, looks completely harmless. Who still stands by President Trump 100%? Well, the idea behind this post is to get people who are Trump supporters to like it, to engage with it, to comment on it, and show that Zoe Clark is okay to talk to exchange information with, to receive posts from, and believe whatever Zoe posts. So this is trying to build your trust in Zoe. When I look at Zoe's profile, it is bare. There is nothing here but a couple of pictures, 17 friends, which isn't very many, and this lives in Loa. Loa is the Democratic Republic of the Congo. I think that's a typo. I think whoever made this profile wanted to say Iowa and just stopped there. These are the photos that this profile comments on. This is the Pakistan flag. I'm just saying. Why are Pakistanis interested in how much people support President Trump? It's a conundrum. When I look at this picture by Lucky here, and I go searching for the photo comment that our friend Zoe here made, then we will find what we're really looking for. We will find the comments that Zoe makes, and we will find a tag underneath it right about here that says Zoe Clark. Yeah, again, we see it time and time again, and even the most harmless of posts like this are part of the plan from foreign profiles that are trying to gain Americans' trust and feed content to Americans, whether for profit or whether for divisive purposes. I don't know, but it's best to be on guard anyway. So share this video, let your friends know what's out there. If you know people, and I'm pretty sure you do, who spend a lot of time in, say, pro-Trump groups, just send them to Unfakery. Ask them to like the page, show them one of the videos, and let's help them be a little more skeptical. Maybe next time they won't be the ones who've been exploited by these foreign profiles.